So ladies and gentlemen, a very heartiest welcome to one and all watching this live video, and we are shooting here right from Siwan district of Bihar, and this is especially for all of my friends who are staying outside India, and many of the people wanted to see India, and today I am going to show you a different India, and you will find a very high flood region over here, and people are suffering over here. So in this video we are going to look at the various scenarios which we will find towards the flood affected region where people are suffering from a very high level flood. So guys, we are here in Lakdi Naviganj block of Siwan district in Bihar, and this is a very high flood hit region, and I will try to show you the various areas where flood has hit, and many people are forced to stay on the roadside near the canal flowing over here. So I'll just try to show you the people over here, and many of the people are still suffering. They are just putting some nails onto the road and tying up this small plastic bag where they can help themselves. And you can see the technology is here, but still there is no help from the government. They are using the solar energy for charging their cell phones and all those things, but still they don't find electricity or something like that, and they stay in the darkness over the nights and nights. So here all you can see the long way people are staying, just like without any help. Nobody is coming to see over there. If somebody is coming, they are just donating this plastic, or they are trying to do something from their end. However, this is not just simply possible, I think, for one person or two persons to deal with this particular area. In fact, government is trying or not, that's a question upon them, and still we can find a lot of people sitting over here. They are in search of food, they are in search of a good shelter where you can see the air or whatsoever the reasons we find. They are badly hit by the flood. So I will try to show you from my camera. This is a flood affected region, and if you can see, I'll try to show you from the back end. Just look at the house. This house is completely almost sank into the water, and water level this is not static water level, this is continuously rising, and once if it comes to the road level, everything is going to be completely winded up over here. You can see the number of villages over here. People are trying to come with the help of boats and streamers, and all those NDRF team is trying to help them. However, I did not see any NDRF team, and over this whole large region you can hardly find any of the boat. People are forced to stay in this kind of camps and tents over here, and a lot of people are still suffering. They are in search of some help. They are just praying to God whether they can be helped or not. So this was my small report for all the people who are staying abroad and cannot understand Hindi. So I just wanted the people of our people of the world to see the situations whatever these people, especially in Bihar, they are facing. And this is not just particularly for this year, this is for each and every year this flood comes, and they are strongly hit by this. So I'm not actually a reporter, however I'm trying to show it to you through my channel, because most of the viewers are from US or Australia. So I just wanted to show that this is one of the phase which is very highly shameful for the government of Bihar here in बाबू, क्या खाना खाए हो?
सब्जी भात।
चावल और सब्जी। क्या चीज़ की सब्जी खाए हो?
आलू का।
आलू का। कितना बार खाए हो सुबह से?
एक
बार खाए हो। अभी दोपहर के शाम के 4 बज गए ना? 4 बज गए और तुम सिर्फ एक बार खाना खाए हो अभी तक, और फिर अब कब खाओगे?
मुझे भूख नहीं लगता।
तुम्हें भूख नहीं लगता है? So guys, you people can actually see he's saying that he has taken the food for only one time, and it's 4 p.m. here in India, and since morning he has just taken only once a food, and he is saying that he don't find himself as hunger because he is habituated to it, and he is no more suffering from hunger right now. So these people, you can see how his body is and how they are continuously trying to help. In fact, these pet animals are forced to stay over here, and they can still not find food. I'm just imagining how worse the situation goes over here, because people cannot find the food for themselves, and here how they will be able to feed these animals. And many animals, it is not just one or two, you can find hundreds of animals over here where they cannot find food to feed them. So this is how they have stored the food for the animals or their pet. And at last I have just found one boat from one political leader, that is from Janadhikar party, what I can see. And people over there are helped by this person, Pappu Yadav. So it is a kind of, people are trying to get help but nobody is helping. However, I have just found one person who is trying to help. I think Premchand Singh is coming, and they are helping to these people. In fact, hand pumps are being held over here, and the situation is very critical and very difficult for all the people staying over here. People are forced to stay over on the roof, and you can see everything has been shut off. Water everywhere, but no water to drink. And since there is no water to drink, hand pumping is being dig over here. So guys, you can see so far here we are straight. I'm just standing in the middle of the road. People are forced to take shelter on the road, and there is almirah, bed, and all the setups. They are just staying, believing on God. So guys, straight I'm standing here in the middle of the road, and you can see the various people over here. They are suffering from this very high heat flood. अभी मैं छत के एकदम बीचों बीच खड़ा हूँ, और इस छत से मैं अगर आपको दृश्य दिखाऊं तो इस तरफ आप दूर जहाँ तक भी देखेंगे वहाँ तक बिल्कुल पानी आ चुका है, और फ्लड बहुत बुरी तरीके से हिट किया हुआ है। बाढ़ का पानी इतना ज़्यादा है इस बार लोगों का कहना है कि इतना बाढ़ तो कभी खैर यहाँ तक आज तक नहीं आया था, मतलब पिछले इस दशक में। तो गाइज़, आप लोग ये जो पानी देख रहे हैं, ये पानी बिल्कुल मेन बाज़ार का है, और ये सड़क मुख्य मार्ग, और आप देख सकते हैं सड़क पर पानी का जैसे जल सैलाब आ चुका है। और ये पानी ऐसा ये नहीं कि पिछले आधे घंटे 1 घंटे से है गाइज़, ये पानी जो फ्लो हो रहा है इतनी तेज़ी रफ्तार से, ये पिछले कितने दिनों से हो रहा है पानी। हाँ, पानी ऐसे फ्लो कब से हो रहा है? हाँ, आज
इतवार के दिन
संडकाल से। तो कल शनिवार को कब बजे से?
घाटी बाड़ी मैंने 9 बजे शुरू हुए,
शनिवार को सुबह 9 बजे से। तो गाइस मैं बता दूं, आज मंडे है, मंडे का अभी शाम का 5-6 बज रहा है। कितना टाइम हो रहा है? 5 के आस डूब चुके हैं। कैमरे में आप देख रहे होंगे कि लोग अपने छतों पर रहने के लिए मजबूर हैं। मवेशियों को जैसे तैसे लोगों ने इधर उधर रखा हुआ है, और कहीं ना कहीं लोग बहुत ज़्यादा तकलीफ़ में हैं। और यहाँ पर हम लोग क्लियरली देख सकते हैं कि पानी का जो जलस्तर है वो कितना तेज़ी से रफ्तार में एक बढ़ते जा रहा है, और लोग सड़कों पर रहने के लिए कहीं ना कहीं मजबूर हैं, जो कि वाकई में एक बहुत ही भयावह स्थिति है। कई तरह की, इनफैक्ट कोविड-19 जैसी महामारी के सिचुएशन में भी इन लोगों को मजबूरी में लोग रस्सियाँ बांध करके एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पार कर रहे हैं। बहुत ही ज़्यादा दयनीय स्थिति। से है बिल्कुल बाज़ार के बीचों बीच ऐसा पानी का फ़्लो होना शायद यहाँ के लोगों ने ज़िंदगी में कभी देखा नहीं होगा, और मैं अपनी आँखों से ज़िंदगी में पहली बार कुछ ऐसा देख रहा हूँ, ऐसी